All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm Sam.
I'm Brandon.
And we're with Chesapeake Outdoors Sports, and we're going snakehead fishing today. And if we get lucky, we're going to do a catch and cook for you right off the shore. We're going to bring them back here and catch you. So stay tuned. Be back. Can't wait.
After snakeheads today.
We got Cambo trout.
Bam.
We got bass rack. We got amped up outdoors, amped up fishing, and me, you, and Grant.
That's right.
Chesapeake Bay kayaking. So we got kayaking, fishing, and then come wintertime we'll be hunting.
That's right. Also, be sure you follow Chesapeake Outdoors Sports on Facebook and Instagram. Both of those links are also in the description. All right. So without further ado, we're going to put this boat in the water, man. We're going to get this boat wet, and we're going to get us some snakeheads, all right?
Which one of us?
Aren't you on that Maryland Outdoors or Outdoor Maryland?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know you. I recognize
That's cool. Thanks, man. This is the Baltimore Angler.
Oh, no shit. I just watched your video last night.
Well, right now it's a slow go. This is probably, what, a third spot we've been to? Mm-hmm. This is like a third spot we've been to, and so now we're just starting to see shad and.
Oh, your bobber disappeared.
Okay.
All right. What was you saying again, Sam? What was you saying?
We were saying, well, wait, while we get ready to move again.
Oh, crap! Let me get my pole up the way here.
Let me grab that. There you go.
Sam was just
That looks like catfish. That's catfish.
Oh yeah, the bullhead.
Catfish.
Yep.
It's all right. We'll take them.
Channel catfish.
All right.
Not what we're going after, but
nope.
Man, the skunk's going.
I had to do all that talking. Man, you don't want to. They're hard to get out of their lip, ain't they? Good God. Well,
nice little channel catfish.
nice pretty fish.
See ya.
Well, got the skunk off the boat, right?
That's right. That's right.
So I'm gonna bring this in real quick. Let me show you my setup.
Okay.
I'm a fluger guy. I got a fluger, and this is made for braid. You know, a lot of spinner reels, if you put braid on there, it like spins on the reel.
Yeah.
And on here, I'm gonna do things. Bottom angler sitting there. So on here, they actually got stripes. They'll have stripes all the way down it to stop the braid from spinning.
Gotcha. Okay.
But we're fishing for snakehead. I just got a plain hook with a minnow, snapped through the thing, and I got up maybe 2 foot, and I got a bobber. My bobber is a little weighted on the bottom to kind of keep it up. You want this to be, you just want it straight up, and you're just gonna let it sit. We're gonna sit here, me and Brandon are gonna have a conversation. And if we're gonna sit here for a little while, if we don't get any bites, it must be pretty shallow there. Then we're gonna move. Man, we gotta catch some fish because I brought I brought the kitchen with me, man. I brought the kitchen with me. I was like, God, man, we're just cooking 2 fish. Why do we need all this crap for? That's something. Yes, sir. Ooh.
You got some catfish, maybe?
I don't know, staying down.
That's kind of catfish or a snakehead?
Snakehead.
Oh,
Snakehead.
oh.
Yeah, snakehead.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ah! I just looked up and the bobber was gone. I seen him moving. Woo! Fat too. All right, y'all. We got what we came for.
You know he's getting ready to flip out, right?
Oh yeah.
He's getting
You know
ready.
how they do.
He's getting ready.
Sealed, all of a sudden.
He's getting ready to flip out. Get in there, bitch.
Oh, right before we were just getting ready to pull up and move spots too, y'all. First SNAKEHEAD 2020. All right, y'all. Chesapeake Outdoor Sports. We got him. All right, first one of 2020. Welcome to the page if this is your first time visiting the page.
Absolutely.
Cool.
All right, you can turn your camera off.
All right.
We're gonna nail him and yeah.
You need a net?
Looks like another. Oh, it came off.
And my camera just started recording. Dang! Oh. Y'all, it never fails. The minute Sam is not paying attention to his bobber, it disappears.
I said, "Hey, I'm doing some. I'm going to be like keep it out of my bobber."
He just
he just came off
5
too.
seconds later, I look up, his bobber's gone. So he sets the hook. Fish is fighting, going crazy, and it just popped off. I think it had the minnow, but not the hook. That's all. Here we go.
Get it. Set that hook, man. Set that hook. Set that hook.
Oh. Is that a catfish? Yeah, it's a catfish. Yep. Ripped one of my minnows off too. Man.
You hate catfish, don't you?
Oh, I really hate them when I'm not trying to catch them.
Oh, bro.
Come on, man.
All right. So we're going to fillet this snake again. Let's see if we can. But what'll happen, what you can do, these things get slimy. I mean, like disgusting slimy. All right. So what you can do before you fillet it, you can just take some lemon, which I'm not going to do it because he's not real bad. Take some lemon. Actually, we're going to do it just because we're going to show you. You just put some lemon on them.
Interesting.
A little bit of salt. Now all this will do is just going to help you get rid of the slime.
Ah, okay.
You just rub it in. And all that's really going to do is just help get rid of the slime. So if you can hear,
yep.
I mean, that is, I've had a guy try to stick a knife in there, and you're not going to stick a knife in there. All right. So. It's probably not as good as I probably could have did it. I would take a little cut like that. And that gives you a little thumb hole right there.
Beautiful.
You feel it. You're going to feel bone. Not in here, but you're going to feel it right here. Right? So you're just going to cut that little slice out.
Yeah, for y'all who don't know, snakeheads got some pretty thick bones. They got some big bones.
And let me tell you, as you can see, I don't professionally cut fish.
It's specifically for those who live in a state where snakeheads have.
Guys will actually just come down here and just go down this backbone.
All sort of like rockfish.
Yeah. See, that's nice, a little bit sharper. The wet towel, this wet towel will just kind of help you stabilize the fish a little bit.
Gotcha, okay.
Mess this up. This should
That's one thing I like about snakeheads. Even the ones that aren't that big, you can still get plenty of meat off of them. Cool.
That one looked like I did that a little bit better.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Yeah. When you get the bad comments, who in the hell was filleting them fish? What the hell is in that? What the hell is that?
I think that was a lemon seed.
Oh shit. That was probably pretty obvious, wasn't it? Alright, just because I'm so used to washing my hands after every time I touch something, cook something.
Yeah. Both bobbers were still on the water.
I didn't even look, dude. So you're gonna put butter in the pan, let that melt.
Ooh, already smelling good, y'all.
Sorry. There's never too much butter.
Yep.
This is actually garlic. This actually got garlic in it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right. Since we never done this, I guess maybe I could say I wouldn't say unorganized, but being the first time doing it.
Yeah. Outdoor hook and cook.
Obey. To me, I can never have enough of that.
There ain't no such thing as too much Old Bay. All right, y'all heard it here first. For all you non-Marylanders, all right? We'll argue with you all day. There's no such thing as too much Old Bay. You know, we each took a shot of Old Bay before we started.
Now what you want to try to do is get the, you want to see some white coming up the side.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, for y'all watching, if your stomach's growling, mine is too.
Fish ain't going to take long. But with these freshwater, this isn't like salt water. You definitely want to make sure that they're cooked all the way through.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, these guys can get worms in them and stuff, which they're no harm to anybody. They're not going to harm you. You got to make sure you cook your fish.
That's it.
All right.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, my stomach is like growling right now, man. Yo, those look amazing. Those look amazing. They smell amazing.
It's a little thicker than I wanted to lay a little more flat. When it curls up, I don't know if it curls up. I want to make sure. Well, there's a technique to keep this. You see how it's curling up? There's actually a technique, and I don't know. I'm not really a chef, but there's a technique to keep them flat, because we want to keep it flat.
Oh my gosh, this is just straight torture right now, man.
I didn't bring a spoon. So I'm gonna flip this over one more time on this side. Didn't bring a spoon. I think they're about done.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Oh. Oh, do the honors?
You do the honors.
Yes, sir. Bon appetit. All right.
I didn't put lemon on it. Wait till I add lemon on it.
Oh my gosh. Yo, all right. I gotta have some more. I gotta have some more.
cut this line?
Oh yeah, man, we outdoorsmen, man. We
Put a bit of line. All right, well, I'll tell you what. I don't know if we want to torture them anymore, but I think we're going to eat and maybe call it a day.
that means y'all need to get out of here. All right, 'cause we
Yeah, I
about to
think-
slam this snakehead, man. We hungry. We gonna tear it up. Y'all gotta go. All right. So in the meantime, again, that is Sam.
Outdoors in Maryland, baby.
That's right.
Hey, Chesapeake Outdoor Sports.
Make sure y'all follow on Instagram, Facebook. All right, and we're actually on site.
Hook.
That's right. We're actually deaf. Uh-oh. I think I got a smudge on there. There we
Don't
go.
spit on it. I know you're hungry.
All right, y'all. We out of here, all right? So y'all take care.